Hello students, our today's topic is Roman numerals. So what are Roman numerals? It is a numeral system written by using alphabetic symbols and basically used by Romans. So what are these alphabet symbols? These are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These 7 symbols are basically used for writing the numbers in Roman numerals. As we are writing numbers in Indian number system or Indian numerals and in international numerals. So for writing both the numerals, both the number system, we are using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are commonly known as digits. So by using these 9 digits, we are writing the numbers either in Indian numeral system or in international numerals. So in the same way, we are writing the numbers in Roman numerals by using 7 alphabetic symbols. So what are these basic Roman symbols and what are the value of these symbols? So first symbol is I and the value of this symbol is 1. Second is V and the value of this symbol is 5. Third is X and value of the symbol is 10. Then L value is 50. C value is 100. D value is 500 and the last one is M and its value is 1000. So by using these 7 basic Roman symbols, we can write all the numbers that comes under the Roman numerals. So now take us some example. 3, 6, 8, 11, 15, 107, 20, 300, 3000, 4, 40, 9, 90 and 900. How can we write all these numbers in Roman numerals, in Roman number system? So we can write these numbers by using 3 rules. First is by addition rule. Second is by multiplication rule. And the third is subtraction rule. So take the first example. This is 3. So how can we write 3? Can we write 3? 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what is this symbol used in Roman numerals for 1? That is I. Again for 1 I and again for 1 I. So how can we write 3 in Roman numerals? This is 3. Okay, now take the next example. So this we have written by addition rule. Now the next example is 6. What can we write 6? Either 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or either we can write it 5 plus 1. Only because of there is one symbol for 5, we'll omit to write 1 5 times. In place of this we will write 5 plus 1. So 6, we can write 6 by 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is this symbol used in Roman numerals for 5? This is V, and for 1 this is I. So what can we write it? 6. So this is in Roman numerals. Next example is 8. We can write 8 by 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 5, this is for 8. Now the next example is 11. So 11 is 10 plus 1. We are having symbol for 10, that is x plus I. So this is for 11. Now the next is 15. So 10 plus 5. So for 10 symbol is x plus and for 5 symbol is v. So x v. Now take the next example is 107. Next example is 107. So we can write it 100 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So for 100, what is the symbol for 100? This is C plus for 5 V plus for 1 I and I. So combinedly we can write it CV I. So this is the symbol used for writing the number 107. This is C. This is the symbol used for writing 107. Till now we have written all these numbers 3, 6, 8, 11, 15 and 107 by using addition rule. So now the next number is 20. We'll write this number by using multiplication rule. And one more thing, when we'll use addition rule, we'll use addition rule when a smaller number is written on the right of a greater number. So these are the numbers we can take example of it in which we can apply addition rule. First number is B, V, I, and second is X and V. In both the number, smaller number is at the right side of the greater number. Smaller number is at the right side of greater number. So in both we use addition rule. So we multiply here 500 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So the number is 507. Next is X notifies here 10 plus V notifies here 5. So the number is 15. So whenever we found smaller number is at the right side of the greater number, we'll use addition rule. So now the next is multiplication rule. Examples are 20, 300, 3000. We can write 20 as 10 multiplied by 2, 300 as 100 multiplied by 3 and 3000 as 1000 multiplied by 3. So what is the symbol for 10? It is X. So X, and we need to write it 2 times. So XX. It notifies 20. Next number is 100. What is the symbol for 100. This is C. And we need to write it for 3 times. So this notify 300 here. Now next is 1000. How will notify 1000? By M. And we need to write it 3 times because 3000 multiple of 3. So here this notifies 3000. So when can we use multiplication rule? We have used multiplication rule in obtaining these 3 numbers. So when a symbol is repeated again and again, here 2 times, 3 times, 3 times. So when the symbol is repeated again and again, we'll use multiplication rule. And the last one is subtraction rule. When can we use subtraction rule? First, write these numbers in Roman numerals and 900. So for 4, what can we write? 5 minus 1. For 40, we can write 50 minus 10. For 9, 10 minus 1. For 90, 100 minus 10. And for 900, 1000 minus 100. So, what is the symbol of 5? Is 5. And symbol of 1 is I. We'll write it on the left hand side of the greater number. For 50, this is L, X. For 10, this is X, and for 1, this is I. For 90, for 100, C, and for 10, X. For 1000, this is M, and for 100, this is C. So these are the numbers that we have written from Indian number systems to Roman numerals. So what we can observe here? We can observe here the smaller number, this, the smaller number from 5 and 1, 1 is smaller. From 50 and 10, 10 is smaller. Here from 10 and 1, 1 is smaller. From 100 and 10, 10 is smaller. And from 1000 and 100, 100 is smaller. What we can observe here? The smaller number is left hand side of the greater number. So whenever we'll found this criteria, we'll use subtraction rule. What we'll use? We'll use the subtraction rule. By using subtraction rule, we can find out, we can convert these numbers into Roman numerals. So some more specific rule for writing numbers into Roman numerals are symbols I, X, C, M are repeated, whereas V, L and D are never repeated. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. The symbols I can be subtracted from V and X only once. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only once. And the symbol C can be subtracted from D and M only once. So here is some questions related to the topic. First one is compare the number so here what it means, we can write it in Indian number system. X indicates 10, plus 4. So 14. And here this is 10 minus 1. This is 9. So which one is greater? This. So we can put this symbol here. Next question is, so what this symbol notifies? 20 plus 5, and here 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25, and 5. We can compare it. This one is greater. Now the next question is, multiply two numbers in Roman, given in Roman numerals. First number is 4 multiplied by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. How can we write 20? 10 multiplied by 2. So this is, so our answer is 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Next question is 6 multiplied by 12. 6 multiplied by 12. So what we'll get? 12 6 are 72. How can we write it? 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. So 50 is L. 10 plus 10 plus 2. So the number after multiplication, we as a product we can get it is LXXII. So with the help of this explanation, you can complete your exercise questions also, related questions also. Thank you, students.